Those are the mangled remains of the Sagar Pavan aircraft that crashed this morning. It was part of the very, very prestigious Sagar Pavan formation of the Indian Navy, and it was part of the Indian Civil Aviation Exhibition and Conference, the air show that was happening even as the Union Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel, the US Ambassador and several other who's who of the aviation industry were there. More than 100 countries were participating in this show. This is the building on top of which the aircraft fell. What eyewitnesses are telling us is that the pilot, one of the pilots did try to eject out of the aircraft, but perhaps because he did not have sufficient height, the parachute did not open up, and that's how this very unfortunate mishap has happened. The airplane, however, landed on a water tank on top of this building, and that's perhaps why the fire did not spread. But the mangled pieces of the aircraft really telling the real story that this was a very, very high impact that happened. The 4 people who were inside the building have been saved and have been taken to hospital, but the 2 pilots did not manage to survive. At the accident site in Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraj, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
This is where the Navy aircraft which was conducting the aerobatics at the India Aviation Show has crashed. As you can see, this is the mangled remain of the car on which the aircraft fell, as well as if I'll ask the cameraman to just tilt up, and you can see the building, the condition of the building. The aircraft hit this building and then crashed down onto the street. If you can see, the building is in a very bad shape. What we are hearing, of course, is that even though the pilot did manage to eject out, the pilot did not survive the crash, and about 4 people were injured in this area. 4 civilians were injured. The aircraft, from the condition of the mangled remains of the aircraft, you can imagine how horrific the crash was and the sort of impact it had in this whole area. There are all army personnel who have come in, and Air Force helicopters are hovering around the area. The administration is trying to clear the area out of people living in this house. I'll just ask the cameraman to just turn to his left. The administration is trying to actually evacuate all the people living in this house because they are not very sure on how safe this building is after this crash. The police personnel are here. What we hear is that the injured people have been taken to the hospital, but we don't know what their condition is and whether the injured people are very serious or not. But a big tragedy on the day the India Aviation Summit was inaugurated. One of the Navy aircraft which was conducting aerobatics crashes in a residential area. This is Bovanpalli area of Hyderabad. The pilot has not survived the crash, and about 4 civilians are injured. That is the latest information.
12:10 है शायद टाइम हो, वो टाइम पे हमको बहुत आवाज आई, बहुत बड़ी आवाज आई। तो क्या हो गया बम ब्लास्ट हो गया, क्या हो गया बोल के हम सब बाहर, वो बिजली नहीं था तो हमको पता नहीं है। वो बिजली आए तो न्यूज में देखने वाले, जब देखने वाले क्या हो गया, कहाँ हो गया, तो वो पूरा लोग अरे उधर फ्लाइट गिरा हुआ है ऐसा बोले, तो अभी पूरा आ गए हम।
As of now, information is that 4 people have been injured. They have been shifted to the hospital, and they are being treated in the hospital.
And sir, the condition of the 4 people means are they very serious, or
2 are serious and 2 are also badly injured.
And the pilot did not survive the crash?
Yeah.
सर, जांच में कहीं तो भी लापरवाही बरती गई होगी?
अभी ये कहना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि ये जांच जो और इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है वो किस कारण हुआ है, प्लेन में खराबी है या क्यों हुआ है, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन से मालूम पड़ेगा।
But this is a code of inquiry which has been ordered.
Yeah, this will be done by the civil aviation side, because in all plane crashes generally the DGCA
By the DGCA. Okay, so sir, any time limit for this investigation to be completed?
As of now, we are not in a position to, because
Tuba.com